Hey guys, this is a quick review of the Temtop. This is the T1 version. So this is a hygrometer thermometer combo, so it can tell you the humidity as well as the temperature. This is a pretty cool little unit for a couple reasons. One, I really like this little kickstand that is magnetic and you can take off, so you can leave this unit just sitting and read it like that. Or you can snap on the little thing right there and have it kind of leaning backwards. That's always nice. I believe this unit is also magnetic where you could stick it onto something. So what I want to discuss today is the app itself. It's super easy to get this working. You just need to download the Temtop app. And then on the back of your device here, there's going to be a little QR code that you scan, and then you will automatically hook up to this device. Super easy. And then I can see my current temperature and humidity from my phone, which is very nice. The app can also show historical data for temperature and humidity, which is very nice. So a couple things that I like about this is that it seems to be extremely accurate compared to some of my other temperature monitors that I have. Though the one thing I will note is that if you hold these two areas over here, you will rapidly increase the temperature on here, which granted is not really a big deal because when it's just sitting out, you're not holding it. Now you can switch between temperature, between Fahrenheit and Celsius by using this cog wheel up here. If you press it once, it's going to remove and add the AM. It's going to make it a 24-hour day like military time or standard time. But if you hold it, then it's going to switch to Celsius. So that's how you do that. There's also a power button up top. Now, what I like about the humidity is it gives you this nice little range indicator here. So if your humidity is too low, you're going to get a red bar here, which my minimum was at 17%, which is definitely too low. And if it's too high, you're going to get this blue bar over here. You can see since I've been holding it, it's definitely messing with the humidity. But right now I know that my humidity is too low. So that's why I like this device. It allows me to see that. So definitely pretty high quality in terms of hygrometers go. Definitely check this thing out.